Well, somebody told us that he has a dream, and I have also one, and I will show what is it. Last time I showed the map of points of our deposits and plants, but unfortunately it is the dead end because I cannot do with this point what I would like to do, and I had to put in our application another button map. It connected to Google Map, and I'm able to put our points on this map. It's not just Google. The system provides a lot of providers, for example Argis and something else, no well-known satellite, Google Map, and so on. But we will play with typical Google Map. We can show and remove deposits on the map and put the name of them, for example like this. Plus we can evaluate the road between these points. If we choose any plant in this combo box, the system will find contracts with this plant and show us the distance and timing. Now this is quite easy case. Let's look to something more complicated. This is formula in Germany. Again, okay, the system found the contract with Knauf, but it doesn't know where it is. So it's just warning that not all contracts will shown on the map. And we can see a quite complicated system supplying this plant. Well, but in the same time we can create the road between any points of the map. Let's take again Sadat and Balach and get a rock from Drummond and push this button, make road, and we can see the distance and timing between these points. Plus we can easily create circles around the plant, and we can change the distance. Well, right now system uses all contracts in the system, but we have a 20 years plan, and we can change the time, and we'll see the future connection between points, but right now it doesn't work. Well, this is current condition of the system, and I have a couple problems to develop it. This is so-called relational database. It's follows some rules, and main of them that server is responsible not only for safety of our data, but also for integrity of it between several tables. For example, if we would like to delete something from our system, any place, the server does not allow us to do that because the domain is used in the system. Another example, server does not allow us to add the same data. For example, if we would like to add another Canada, again this is responsible of server. Server does not allow us to add another Canada because we have already one. But in the same time, in our tables of reserves, we have a lot of information which repeated, and very often we have quality here and another numbers of quality in the plant and so on. So first I would like to know which is number is correct. Plus very often these tables does not correspond each other. Sometimes I can guess, sometimes I can't. For example, this case, in the East Leak we have East Leak mine, but here we have Marbleages East Leak. Is it the same or not? Maybe the same, maybe not, but I prefer to know is it correct or not. Very often in plants we don't have proper sources. For example, in Canada I don't know these sources which described in 20 years plan. In Czech Republic again unknown sources. In States again curator unknown sources. Another story, it's quite difficult to find location sometimes, especially for deposits. Here I mark by red points which I found, and I'm not sure about others. So if you have some maps, I would like to get them and put correct information to our system. So that's all so far. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.